Well, RYOBI's done it again and come up with two new cordless sprayers. The 7.5 litre handheld unit and the big bopper, the 15 litre backpack unit. You'll never have to worry about manual pumping again. Just tip your liquid of choice into the translucent reservoir. Now mine's a secret organic chemical-free recipe, which I'm pretty proud of. Once the onboard reservoir is filled, the 1+ 18-volt battery system can pump more than 100 litres in one battery charge. The electric pump delivers a consistent pressure. There's an adjustable nozzle that will give you more control over pressure, coverage and accuracy. On the 7.5 litre handheld unit, the wand attaches to the handle so you can move branches or foliage out of the way with one hand while spraying with the other. You'll never be doing manual pumping again.
RYOBI, a cut above.